So we're going to be using two separate devices, one online and one offline, to send Bitcoins from this wallet to this wallet. So let's go ahead and get your Ballet Crypto app up and scan this wallet to the app. Okay. Now we have the wallet up. We want to go back, go to more, make sure expert mode is on, right there. Go back to your wallet, select Bitcoin, and then tap on send. You then want to scan in that QR code. Okay, so here we have it. Select how many Bitcoins, change the fee, confirm, and then you want to select use air gap offline signing right here. Tap that, tap on next, and then with this QR code, you'll use this device to scan this QR code. So here we have it, the offline device. We're going to scan the QR code now. Okay. We then want to input our passphrase. Passphrase, tap next, scan the encrypted private key. Okay, and then you want to use the other device to scan this blue QR code. So with the other device, have it up here, you want to tap on this right here, tap on next. You have the final transaction with all the details. Then tap on send now at the bottom. And then there you go. There you have it.